Hello, beauties! Today's video is all about makeup. We will talk about basic makeup knowledge, tips, and tricks. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or a beginner, this video is going to be really helpful. Also, we will be recreating clean girl makeup look with a proper guide. Clean girl look is beginner-friendly, requires less products and time, is great for daily occasion, school, college, work, and all. Let's talk about the topics of the video. Starting with basic makeup guide. What type of makeup product will work the best according to your skin type? Makeup kit as a beginner. And lastly, recreating clean girl look with the beginner's makeup kit. And welcome to Beauty with Brain. I will also be recommending some makeup products from drugstore. That works great. This video is not sponsored, it's just my personal preference. Let's begin with makeup knowledge. Color corrector, which is used for discoloration, resulting flawless base, also easy to use and lightweight. There are main 6 colors and each has its own benefit. Let's talk about them one by one. Peach corrector cancels dark circles or any brown spots, like acne marks on light to medium tone skin, whereas red or orange corrector does the same and works great for medium to dark skin tone. Depends on how dark the color of hyperpigmentation is. Green corrector works great to cancel out redness or acne breakouts on all skin tones. Like, if you are someone who does her skincare before makeup and ends up with redness, then green corrector is all you need. Purple corrector brightens dullness on all skin type. It can also be used as fairness cream and replacement for concealer. You can also use this to brighten up the part of your face that will look super natural. Blue corrector can help to neutralize yellow or orange pigment. Like if you have a foundation which is too yellow or a little dark for you, then mix it with a little amount of blue corrector to tone down the yellow pigment. You can use it direct with product or on the particular area of the skin. Also works for all skin tones. Yellow corrector cancels mild dark circles, redness, and blue or purple tones. It's same as how blue corrector can be used to tone down warmness of yellow color. Yellow corrector can be used to tone down the coolness of blue color. For color correcting, I would recommend Insight Color Corrector. There are 3 palettes. You can choose any one of these depending on what you want. This palette has all the colors, which is great for practicing color correction, whereas these 2 palettes can be used for daily makeup base, as it has corrector shade, concealer shade, and contour shade, which is perfect. And if you happen to have similar shade to any of these, then you can use it all over your face. BB cream and CC cream, let's see what difference they have. BB cream is beauty balm, whereas CC cream is color correcting. It has light to medium coverage with thick heavy texture. CC cream has medium to full coverage with light airy texture. If we talk about benefits, they both have their own. And works best for these skin types. You can pause and read the details. Depending on your lifestyle, these are really good as go-to cream, just like tinted moisturizer. Makeup powder guide. There are 3 types of powder: translucent powder, loose powder, and pressed powder, and here's what we need to know about them. Translucent powder does not give coverage. It helps with controlling shine and works for all skin tones. Loose powder. It's best for oily skin and is used for baking or setting the base makeup like concealer or foundation. Gives a smooth finish. Pressed powder gives more coverage. Because of the coverage, it can be worn alone and is used to set makeup. Now it's easy to buy a powder as we know what they do for us. Okay, now, blush color for each skin tone. Blushes are my favorite, as they give you extra pretty and youthful look without even trying. These are the colors. You can take a screenshot. Blush colors does matter when it comes to skin tone. Actually, every product's shade matters when it comes to skin tone, and best thing we can do is learn about our own shades. Makeup products according to your skin type. For dry skin, liquid and cream textured products works the best, preventing your skin from cracking and looking cakey. For oily skin, mattifying and powered products will work best for controlling shine and keeping your makeup in place. And for combination skin, it mostly depends on how your skin feels. Take a screenshot and use it for buying the makeup products next time. Beginner's makeup kit. We all know that when it comes to makeup, we have a lot of options, which makes it easy to get confused about what to buy. First things first, we don't need expensive products. Expensive products do not mean good makeup. They just mean good quality, and good makeup comes with good skills. Get yourself drugstore products and work on your skills by practicing different makeup styles. The only products you need to invest in are primer and setting spray. Next, you need to have a color corrector and concealer, powder to your liking, a blush, an eyeshadow palette with nude colors, and lastly, a lash curler with mascara. And finally, let's recreate clean girl look. I'm going to share the easiest tutorial with only using must-have products that I shared recently. First, we need to prepare our skin using moisturizer, sunscreen, and lip balm. Next, we will use a good primer alk over the face, excluding lips. It's important to prepare our skin so that our makeup stay put throughout the day without drugstore products damaging our skin. Next, we will use a color corrector as per need, or you can skip this part. Blend the color corrector using your finger. Wait for a few seconds before applying concealer above it and on this area especially to highlight your best features. Clean girl look is all about enhancing our natural features. Blend the concealer using a damp beauty blender to get the perfect damp beauty blender. Soak your blender in the water and squeeze the water out as hard as you can. Take a cloth, wrap it around the blender and squeeze again, and there you have a perfect damp beauty blender. Wait for a few seconds before moving on to powder. Use the same beauty blender to apply powder on the concealer, and if you want, use the powder all over your face. Now take your blush lipstick or lip gloss to apply it on cheekbones, on your nose, and lastly a little on your chin. Applying blush on these areas will give more natural and youthful look. Blend it using your fingers, and use a blender for perfect, smooth finish. Here's a tip. After your base is ready, use setting spray to set the base. This will help your base makeup to stay on your face for a long period of time without any touch-ups. Moving on to eyes, I would definitely highly recommend using a lash curler. It really makes a huge difference. The best way to curl your eyelashes is by dabbing the lashes every few times as going up. Afterwards, use a mascara. This can be a bit messy, so hold a tissue behind your lashes. Use mascara from tip of your lashes and then go to the bottom. Last, use tinted gloss or clear gloss on your lips to look clean and for your lips to stay hydrated. You can use matte lipstick too, which is close to your natural lip shade. Use setting spray, and we are done. If you have any question or struggling with anything, comment down, okay? Also, for all of us to stay more connected, I have created an Instagram account by tagging each other in the story, sharing tips, advice, and inspiration. I will also be sharing more fun content there as well. Let's create our little community there. Account link is in the description. Make sure to follow. Can't wait to see you all there.